Hello, uh, we have this video this time to uh, present a revolver, a legendary revolver. I'm talking about the Smith & Wesson 357 Magnum, 6 inches barrel, 357 Magnum. This revolver, um, I call it legendary because back on the Sun 65 or to the present time, is one of the toughest revolver out there. Okay, here we have a Smith & Wesson 357 Magnum, model 686, and it came in different sizes and shapes, but on the K-frame, and it comes on 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, even I saw one of 8 inches. The 6 inches, like this, and the 8, they are specially made because you can adapt a telescopic sights for hunting. But the one for 2 and 4 inches is especially made for like duty or home protection. The advantage of the this revolver here is that the grips are especially made to help you get a good hand grip on it, and all the ways keep balance with the extra weight. Also, the trigger pull is very light. You can see that it's very simple, and also the hammer has a very light pull. On the you can see on the front and rear side, there's an advantage because it's already factory. You see it's a red point on the front side, and on the rear side you can see here that is telescopic. You can adjust side to side or up and down to get depends on your need of your shooting. Also, factory, the 6 inches, it can reinforce that it give you more accurate, better precision, and the shooting is more accurate. So I love this weapon. On the chamber, you also see that very simple to work on it, to clean, to maintenance. So I highly recommend this Smith & Wesson 357 Magnum model 686. Thank you. And all the way, remember, follow the safety rules. Safety rules, all the ways, anytime you receive or give a revolver, treat all weapons as though they were loaded. How do you do that? Put a pressure on this button, release it with your left hand, and all the way check the chambers to be empty, and the one here also. Rule number 2, never point the muzzle of this firearm to anybody or anything that you don't intend to destroy or kill, because anytime you point this to yourself or property or a person, has the power to cause damage or death, anything that is in front of this barrel. And the golden rule, all the ways maintain your trigger away from the trigger unless you're ready to fire. So please be safe, and thank you.